have a trio. Paige, you have to cut the mustard. Chloe, you're gonna bookend Paige, and you're both gonna back up Kendall. The trio is called Buckle Up. Now, this is really fast-paced choreography. It takes a lot of energy, a lot of stamina, and getting these three to move together in perfect harmony, that is some task.